The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV features Super All-Wheel Control or S-AWC technologies. These enhance the four-wheel drive system and regulate the power and torque to each wheel to provide excellent control and stability on the road. The unique four-wheel drive system delivers highly stable handling and all-terrain performance. It employs independent motors to drive the front and rear wheels, which eliminates the need for a conventional propeller shaft. The electric motors instantly deliver maximum torque, delivering superior driving performance. On slippery surfaces, four-wheel drive lock can be activated. This simulates the locking of a centre differential and optimally distributes torque to all four wheels, limiting wheel spin and providing extra traction on snow or mud, for example. When activated, an icon appears on the driver display, indicating four-wheel drive lock.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.